Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Assalamu alaikum and greetings. Ali Sharma here and welcome to DIY Woodworking TV. That's also my channel. Yes, it's been a long time. I have been really busy with RC stuff, RC videos and a lot of exciting things. Go check it out on my other channel, that is Ali Sharma RC channel. Links are in video description. So I have bought a lot of stuff for DIY candle making at home. Nice. I mean, you know, that's gonna make a very romantic atmosphere, very natural atmosphere at home. I'm going to make DIY candles at home with bamboo. It's a good idea, and I think they will not only look natural but also they will smell very good. I do have fragrance for them, but with natural bamboo there and a natural bee wax, I think this is gonna be sweet. I don't want any fancy design on this. I just want to keep it natural and nice. So let's cut bamboo and make ourselves some DIY homemade beautiful candles. So all these are going to be the bamboo candles. check this out. These candles are ready and already in action. This one has been burning for 2.5 hours plus, and still very little wax has been used. And that was a test that whether the bamboo will catch fire or not when the fire goes down there, but nothing. Yes, bamboo did not catch any fire. So we have a natural candles. So check this out. Our room has natural lighting now. And basically at night when it's dark, they are pretty bright.